Over here I'm replacing the drive belt on a scooter. All scooters today have automatic transmissions, and the type of transmissions they have are CVT transmissions, just like certain automatic cars come with CVT transmissions. CV meaning constant variable and T for transmission. For a scooter though, this is the basic principle of a CVT transmission, which consists of a belt and pulleys that variate. Variate meaning by you have the pulley itself, which can expand and contract depending on the rotational force. Now for the scooter, this being the CV aspect of this transmission, inside here we have the final transmission. So in here are the gears, where we have the force created by the engine in turn, which moves the pulley, which in turn moves this belt, which in turn this centrifugal clutch is spun. That all that energy is then transferred to the final transmission here, and then to the rear wheel. This here is a centrifugal clutch. It's very similar to what you would find in a chainsaw. What it has is, inside it has 1, 2 and 3 pads which look like drum brake shoes, and what happens is, as this spins with the centrifugal force, the clutch engages onto this plate here, like the drum brakes do on drum brakes. So with the centrifugal force, the clutch pads expand outwards, engage the outer part of the clutch, and then in turn will spin the wheel, will engage the wheel. This in here is called a variator, and it expands and contracts. It has the pulley here, this side here, and this side in here. It contracts and it expands. The same with the clutch pulley here. There's the one layer here, the other one there. That contracts and expands depending on the rotational force, and this is basically your gear ratio. Your gears for forward, your gears for rear, just like it is on a mountain bike, on a push bike. So depending on the RPM given by the main engine here from the crankshaft, or depending on the speed that you're going, or if you're going uphill, you would have the equivalent gear ratio for here, like you would on a mountain bike, and also the equivalent type of gear ratio over here on the clutch pulley as you would again on a mountain bike. The concept is similar, trying to make it as an example of understanding. You wouldn't see this type of system on motorbikes because they have much more powerful engines, and they require something that has a lot more durability for that high speed that they can achieve with all that horsepower that a lot of motorbike engines have. That's why they have chains which are a lot more durable than a rubber belt. So yeah, there you have it, just a brief explanation of a CVT transmission, and this concept is the basic principle as you would find on an automatic CVT transmission, but they have several more belts, several more pulleys, and it's a lot more complex, but the principle is the same.